Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna look at what am I running in my server rack. There's some servers, routers, switches, some basic stuff, and this video will be transferred into two parts. First will be the hardware stuff, so what's physically there, and then we will look in part 2 and what am I running for the software side. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and let's go! So first things first, we have the network stuff. This is our two patch panels which are going around the office. There is every keystone in the office is patched in here, and it's connected to two switches. They are both PoE powered, so they are providing PoE power to the cameras and to the clients. So as you can see, there is a lot of stuff. These four cables are the uplink. There are two switches in the back. There are our backbone switches, and these are two client switches. There is few cameras around the office connected, few IoT devices which are connected to these switches, and everything is provided by PoE power, which is fed from here. These are edge switch. So it's not like the basic UniFi stuff that you can get. You need the separate UEPS console and not the UniFi controller. Next, we're going to look down. This is our main router. As you can see, there is a blank space. We had two. We are waiting for one to come back from RMA, because it died. We are running the cloud router from Microtik, which are CCR 1072. These have like 10G ports, and we have two 10G uplinks from our ISP, because we are doing like VPNs and other stuff. This Microtik provided us with WireGuard and 10G connection to the world. If we had two, they will be connected together and provide full redundancy, but now we are running on the one and waiting for the other. Let's start from the top. As you can see, there is R320. This is our FreeGate server that is running the cameras around the office. We have object detection and people detection, so you have your mobile phone, and the notification will pop up when somebody comes into the office. We can't do any face recognition or something like this, but it's running. It had a Coral TPU plugged into here, so we could do the recognition safely and reliably. So under the FreeGate server, there is another. So this is R510. This is running TrueNas, and you can see it's running two Intel Xeon L5640 at 2.2 GHz. It has been a reliable server for us. It's quite power hungry, but it is working. It has 12 bays, as you can see. So there is our 12 bays. There are populated only 6 disks, and there are 8 terabytes, I think, WD golds in it. So, and some SSDs for caching, and nothing else. This is just the storage server for us. It has 30 terabytes of capacity, and to it in the back there is connected Dell PowerWault, which I show you later. It had 60 bays, and there are another 60 terabytes of disks. Performance of this is quite good. We are running full 10G connection. The disks are a little bit slower. We are getting around 700 to 800 megabytes a second with the caching. So the backplane is the problem, or the SAS card is the problem in this server to get us through the 1 gigabit. We have these three servers, which are our Proxmox virtualization. We run like a lot of databases, primary influx, then as you can see there is a cable, and if I could get, there is the Zigbee stick from Slashy, and it is running in our Home Assistant instance. It's a local IoT for the whole office. Another PV, he's running some legacy stuff, so like Windows, Active Directory, and other things. And the lowest HP, which is ProLiant DL380P Gen 8. This server is like a backup. They are all connected in a cluster, but we run different things on different, and they could transfer virtual machines around, but we don't prefer that because a lot of this stuff is security stuff. And this machine now is running some Docker containers, some PHP, Grafana, Zabbix for monitoring, and there is running our cloud key and a UEPS console for the switches that I already showed you. And let's go a little bit down. There is another server which I show you. This is our big storage, like a lot of disks and other stuff. This is just like SAN controller, so it's only providing you with a lot of space and not any computing. There is nothing in the back, only connection to the primary server that I already showed you. So this is 60 bay. As you can see, this comes out, and there are 5 shells which each contain 12 disks. As you can see, there's a lot of not a lot of activity right now. We are using this for primary, for backups, for our stuff and the client stuff. Okay, and down below there is another servers. They are old and we don't use them. They are powered down. They are legacy stuff that was here, and we replaced with our servers. But in the last video I showed you our UPS. As we talked in the last video, I replaced the batteries in it. It was like the third time that I did this, and if you want to look, I will link the video, I think here or here, I don't know, and you could look how to replace your batteries in your server, UPS 2. So this is our new stuff, and we could move on to the older stuff that are decommissioned and it's not running anymore. There is one of the decommissioned stuff. This is like old Dell Blade chassis, which was replaced because it's only running like Core 2 Duo, so this server room is quite old, and it's placed on the top of the rack because it was there is like no room to place it better, so she's there. On the top of it we have one of our Unify devices and one MikroTik device. This is our Zigbee. It's placed like that temporarily. In the next videos we will address that, because we are going to transform this place or clean up this place. There is IBM Blade chassis. This server was running the BladeCenter E. It was the older E because it was here. I don't know why they were running such a powerful chassis. But as you can see, there are only few blade servers. You can pop them out like this, and you can like replace the blade chassis. This is quite old. It was like 12 years or 15 years ago when they are starting. So it's not anymore in the use. It has like DDR2 memory, and it has only Core 2 Duos, I think. I don't remember exactly because it was so long ago. Under that, this is like the old storage farm. It has some SATA disks, SATA IBM disks. I don't know if you can see that. This is like quite old. They are 1 terabyte disks and are not used anymore. The problem with this is the disks are proprietary, and they are hard to source. So we decommissioned this thing, and I know the disks in this top shelf are good, but the controller, one of the controller died, and we can't get it running anymore. So we decommissioned the stuff, and it's quite power hungry. It has a logic. It is like full rate storage thing, not like this Dell, which is only the SAS. From the ISP we get like this box, which has the OptiGRAN to it, and it's connected to our MikroTik device, which are in the front. And there is the bundle of the cables going from the ceiling to our rack, and they are run in the ceiling to all the locations, and the fiber cable is right here. This is our Uplink fiber. And of course the server room has the climate control, which you can hear all the time in the videos. So this was my server rack. This was the part 1. As you can see, there is a lot of stuff scattered around. We will address that in the next videos, and I see you in the part 2 where we will talk about what is running exactly in these servers, what storage we are providing, and all the other stuff. So I hope you like this video. This was like the quick peek. Next year I will do the update, the proper update. These are the starting videos, and I'm trying to learn how to do them. So hope you like this, and I see you in the next video. Bye!